Today I'm going to show you how to create an event on your Wix website and accept payments. This is incredibly useful if you're hosting workshops, webinars, or any ticketed event and want to manage registrations and payments all in one place. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, head over to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're in your Wix dashboard, look at the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear. From here, click on Website. This takes you to the main hub where you can manage all aspects of your site. Now, you'll see the website settings displayed. Make sure that this is the correct website where you wish to create your event and accept payments from. It's important to verify this, especially if you manage multiple sites under one account. From this page, locate the Design Site button, which you'll typically find at the top part of your screen, usually beside a pen icon. Clicking this will open up your site editor, where you can start building and customizing your event page. You'll now be directed to the Wix Studio website editor screen. This is where the magic happens. Start by accessing the Add Elements button on the left navigation panel. This button gives you access to all the different components you can add to your site. From the expanded menu, look for the Events element and click on it. You'll see various event element layouts listed. Choose the type of layout that best fits your website's style and drag it onto your website canvas. Position it where you think it will look best and be most visible to your visitors. Once you've added the event element, click on the Manage Events button. You can see this directly on your website canvas. An events dashboard will appear. This is your control center for creating and managing all your events. Start customizing your event by clicking on the plus Add Event button on the top right corner. Under the Event Customization window, start by choosing the type of event. You can select between a ticketed event or an RSVP event, depending on whether you want to charge for attendance or simply track who's coming. Scroll down and add event information, such as the event name and a short teaser, which is optional but recommended to grab attention. Then add the category of this event to help visitors find it easily. Scroll down further to add the date and time details. Choose between a single or recurring event, then add the start and end date along with the time. You'll also need to specify the location. Decide if it's a physical or online event and add the location details if it's physical. Once everything is filled in, click on Create Event to finalize the basic setup. You can click on Save if you wish to keep this as a draft, or Publish, which is located on the top right part of your dashboard. Publishing will make the event live on your site immediately. Once your event draft is created, you'll be directed to the Overview page. Now, to accept payments, look for the Accept Payments section and click on Add Payment Method. This process is pretty straightforward. Select the payment method you wish to use, whether it's PayPal, Stripe, or another option, and link the details from your selected payment channel. This ensures that when people register for your event, they can pay directly through your website, and that's it. You've successfully created an event on your Wix website and set it up to accept payments. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.